doing ear training today. 1, 3, 1. I'm going to start my drum roll again. All right, now we're on ah and we're on 1, 3, 1. Okay, I'm going to start it again. Ooh. Remember, when you're doing this, you want to really listen to it. 1, 3, 1. And 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. And 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. How did I do? Let's see, let's do that again for the teacher. 1, 3, 1. I think I sang it better. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. Here we go. 1, 3, 1. Sing it with me. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 1. Oh yeah. 1, 3, 1. Now, when we do this here, okay, you're singing with me. You're getting it from me a bit, but you want to remember it. So I'm going to hit. And you want to remember the note that was hit and the interval. Okay? So let's start it again. So it's from memory. Right? So see if you can remember the intervals. I'm jumping. Here we go. Now let's do it on ah. I'm doing it with you. Lift up in the back of the throat when you go high. That's for lifting. Now I'm going to try and move it a little bit, okay? Very nice. Again, I said this with the ear training for fourths. You need to listen to it. If it's too hard to remember and get it, listen. Put it on your phone. Play it in the car. And absorb the interval so that now you're going to get your ear to be used to it. It recognizes it. It remembers it. But don't just, try and get it and go, oh, I didn't get it. No, work with it. It takes a while sometimes. And for some of you, when I did it fast, you go, oh, thank you, God, she finally did it fast. Okay, well, you guys you're a little bit more advanced with that. Great, that's wonderful. But I'm doing it slow so it really sinks in. Okay? Yay! You have a wonderful day today. Causes, subscribe, ring the bell. It is